Hi guys, it's Kirby FTW, Dora FTL here. Today I'm gonna react to Dora the Friggin' Explorer, Boots the Jack Butt Monkey, and Donald Friggin' Trump pull down the fire alarm and get grounded. Made by Taco Tube Animations AUTTP.
Hola, I'm Dora. Dora the Explorer.
And I'm Boots the Monkey.
And I'm Donald Trump.
Shut up! I know your names.
President of the United States.
Shut up!
We're going to pull the fire alarm since we are so gangster.
Can you see the
No.
fire alarm?
Are you stupid? We can.
Good job. You found the fire alarm. Now let's pull it.
No!
We did it.
No!
We pulled down the fire alarm.
We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray.
Aha!
Dora, Boots and Donald Trump, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? You are now expelled. Now the poor fireman has something to say.
You have wasted a lot of money in a city worth so much to pay for services such as the fire department. I hope you get grounded for the rest of your life.
Yeah!
All of you go home now.
Oh.
Dora and Boots, get over here now.
Both of their voices are Paul.
Donald J. Trump, get your Republican butt over here.
Get your Republican butt over here.
How dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your Republican room now.
Your Republican room.
Dora the Trump supporter explorer and Boots the monkey. How dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. Both of you are grounded for life. Go to your rooms now.
Take that, Dora, Boots, and Trump. Donald Trump. that was pretty funny. Anyways, this is Kirby FTW, Dora FTL signing off.